Hello everyone, welcome to the Openboard tutorial series. So in this particular series we'll see the usage of Openboard. Okay. So let us see first of all what the regarding features of Openboard. So very first, it is an open source software. It is a free software, okay, and it is available for various platforms: Windows, Linux, Mac, and of course it is very user friendly. It is very easy to use. Many tools are available. So I'll show what tools are available, what we can do with Openboard. Then we can also convert the notes. If you are making some notes, we can convert those notes into PDF, and also screen and voice recorder is also available with Openboard. So these are some of the very few features which I have said. There are many much things which we can do with this particular software. Let us see how we can download this software. Now let us see how to download this software. So it is available free. So Openboard, I'll just click on this option, Openboard download, okay. And you can see there are various sites from which we can download it, okay. Now here there's option get Openboard for free. I'll just click on it, and you can see it is also for Mac OS. We have to click here, and for Windows we have to click here, and for Ubuntu we can click any on this particular version. So I have already downloaded. So after downloading, we can just follow the instructions for installing the software. So you can get it from here. So this is what we get when we start the application. This one at the below, this part is actually called the Stylus Palette. Today we'll learn about what are the various things which are available in the Stylus Palette. Let's start on the leftmost. This is the pen, okay. So in case if you have a pen tablet, then we can just write, okay. To explain, we can just use this there are various colors, okay. I've used the black one. We can even change the color, okay. Then blue, green, and yellow, okay. I can even select the size, okay. I'm just using the minimum one. So this is how it is. This is how the minimum size, then the medium size, and the largest one. We can even increase in the settings also the size of this nib, okay. So this is the pen tool which we can use for writing. In case if we don't have the pen, we don't have the pen tablet, we can even use the mouse, but it is difficult to write with the mouse. We can just make some markings, that's all. Then we have the eraser tool, okay. This eraser tool, we can erase whatever is written on this particular board, okay. Then this eraser is also of various size. This one is the largest one, then the medium, and the smallest one, okay. So you can see the circle, okay. The size of the circle is visible. Then one more thing, when we are selecting this pen tool, okay, the background is white, okay. We can even change the background, okay. I can make the background in this way also, okay. This is the background, okay. Then I can have single rule lines, okay, or square rule lines, okay. We can even increase the distance between the two lines by just using this, okay. The default is this one. We can even make the background as black, okay. We can even use a black background. So in that case, this pen will all the colors, they will automatically become in such a way that this are suitable for this particular board. Like this has become white, okay, then red, and so on, okay. So we can change the background. So I'll just put it to white, okay. We can even change it to rule lines or square boxes. Now you can see this is the size of the eraser, because I select the smallest one. If I select the medium, this is the size, and the largest one for more area, okay. So these two were for that purpose, okay. Next we have this marker tool, okay. This marker tool, it has different colors, different sizes, okay. Where to use this marker tool? This marker tool can be used with some text, like this. I have some text message written here. So if I want to make some markings, I want to just make some marking. If we are teaching, then we can just, this one is the marker tool, okay. You want to mark something, okay. So this is the it also comes in the various colors, okay. You can use various colors for marker, okay. Then we have this arrow tool. This arrow tool is for selection purpose, okay. We can select this. Actually this text is forming in a particular box, so I can just move around the box, okay. And I can select the various options with this particular arrow tool, okay. Then this is the finger tool, we can say. So we can just move the any object. So whatever written is in the form of object. So this is one object. Okay, so if I want to move a particular object, I can use this particular tool. Okay, then this tool, hand tool is for just putting this we can use this hand tool for just moving this entire page up, not a single we can say this, not a single object, but the entire page. So this hand tool is used for moving the entire object up and down. Okay, then we have this magnifiers. Okay, this is the magnifier. Okay, we can, if I just put I just select this and input it, it will just magnify as it will go on magnifying. I can just click it here so that it comes to the normal text. We can even have this level. Okay, we can just reduce the magnification, this one. Okay, then we want to see the small text or small images, whatever. So this is the negative part, this is negative and this is positive. We just click here. Okay, then this is the pointer tool. Okay, when we are teaching and drawing on some objects like this one. Okay, so just like if we have a laser, so this is that for pointing to a particular thing. Okay, this I want to point this is this I have to point this. In case if you have a diagram, you want to point to a particular part, then we can use this pointer tool. This tool is for drawing straight lines. Okay, this is the straight line. We can draw a straight line by using this of various colors. Okay, this one, then this, and so on. Okay, then we have this tool, this one for typing the text messages, this one. Okay, so you can see I've just typed some messages, this one. So if I click on here on this particular tool, text tool, I'll just take it up, I'll just type one text message here. So it will open up a box. Okay, by default whatever the font, whatever we type, this it will take the default font which we have selected in the last time. Okay, so we can even change the font from here. Okay, just show you how we can change. We'll just change this. Okay, we can just select it, change the font. So many fonts are available, as you can see. Okay, some fonts, in some fonts we have the bold. Okay, bold, italic, and other options also. Okay, we can even strike. Okay, strike and underline that particular selected. Okay, as you can see. Okay, then even we can change the color. Okay, so if I want to change the color of this is black, I can change the color. I could just click here. Okay, so many colors are available. Okay, I will even change a single alphabet also. Okay, so this is how we can do this. So I've done this. So various fonts, hello, this is Openboard, I've typed this in various fonts. Okay, so many fonts are available. Then even in this case I've just changed the color. So hello, this is Openboard. So these are the messages with different fonts and different colors. Okay, then this tool, the second last, capture part of the screen. Sometimes what happens, we want to capture a part of a screen, we want to copy it again. Okay, so I'll just click here. Okay, then it can just give a pointer tool. We can just select this. Okay, as we select leftmost arrow, it shows that this thing will be copied on the same page. The next one, the next arrow, so it says that it will add an item to the new page. Okay, and this, okay, this is add item to the library. So I want to add this in the same page. So if I click here, I'll get this. Okay, this becomes an object. Okay, this is all we can have. This is the object. Okay, and in case I'll just cancel it out. Okay, I will do it again. I'll just select this tool. Okay, and select this Openboard. If I click here, it will copy on the next board, so I can see I will just click on the previous. This is our previous page. This is the next page. So it adds a new page. Okay, so this is how it is done. So this was regarding the first tutorial. Okay, we saw how we can use this Stylus Palette. So in the coming sessions we will learn some more features. It has of course very rich features. Okay, and we can just go on exploring the features and use it for teaching aid, for making the notes. Even students can use this particular software. So that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.